And today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of WhatsApp. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of WhatsApp. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.